Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Step Day 25. So today's baby step is just to keep it up. We're going to go to FlyLady's website again and read some of her testimonials. You've been doing a great job learning the baby steps and following the baby steps this far, and you don't have to be doing it perfectly. I know that I am not. There are a lot of steps that I have not made a habit yet, and there's some things I have. And something that I'm going to be focusing on for this baby step and just keeping myself motivated is something I learned about the gap and the gain. And the gap is when you kind of focus on what's not working. It can be very easy to just focus on, okay, I haven't made all the baby steps a habit yet. I'm failing. I'm not doing what I want to be doing, as opposed to focusing on the gain, focusing on what you have been doing, how you have been growing, how you have been changing, and the steps that you have been able to implement and put in place regularly or irregularly for that matter. It's things that you weren't doing before. And so I just want to encourage you to focus on the gain and not the gap. You've been doing great. You don't have to be doing it perfectly yet. It takes a while to form habits, and we have a lot of habits that we've been forming in this small amount of time. So give yourself some grace and really focus on those wins. Really focus on the things that you have been able to accomplish and celebrate those. There's a link below to the calendar that's free for you to print out and follow along to all the 31 days of baby steps. Subscribe to this channel to keep up with the last leg of this challenge, and follow me over on Instagram if you haven't. I'll see you over there, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.